In northern Colorado, there's a stretch of dirt and rock called Kelly Flats, one of Colorado's most unique trails. They say it's beautiful, right up until Heart Attack Hill. Today, I'm finding out how far my GX can go, and what happens when things don't go as planned. We start this video at the trailhead of Kelly Flats.
We haven't even been on the trail for 2 minutes and we've approached our first obstacle, and it looks like it gets more extreme up there ahead.
The trail starts off gentle, almost peaceful, but then you see Heart Attack Hill. And it's not just steep, it's long, and it was our turn to navigate it.
I don't know if the camera can pick up the intensity of this. Every direction that you could possibly go looks intense. I don't even know what line I'm gonna choose, to be honest.
I locked it into 4 low and told myself there's no turn back now. But about halfway up, things went sideways, literally.
I see why they call it Heart Attack Hill. I just had a damn heart attack. Probably like this close to rolling. Shout out Dobinson's long travel. If I didn't have long travel there, I probably would have rolled. I would so hit that, but I don't know how deep it is, and just from that, my whole front bumper was underwater. Check this out. And if it is too deep, I have no one to recover me, so that's a no-go.
halfway through the trail, it turned into private property. And this had some of the best views on the trail.
We've made it to the chutes. This is insane. You probably need lockers, probably 38s to do this. This looks insane. Ain't no way we're attempting that in the GX. Maybe when we upgrade to a little beefier setup. That's crazy though. I think we have like 2 more miles left of trail, and it's honestly, I can tell it's getting easier. More, actually not easier, just less intense. There's still like obstacles, but they're a lot easier than what the start of the trail was, that's for sure. I can see the end of the Kelly Flats Trail. What a ride this trail has been. From flipping to scenic views, it had it all. That's a wrap on Kelly Flats. What an experience that was. Almost flipping, tons of crazy obstacles. This trail really lives up to the name in the hype. I asked some people about this and all they talked about was Heart Attack Hill, and they were right. If you like this style of video, please let me know down in the comments. I switched it up from my typical style for trail videos. I try to go more into the storytelling for this video. But that's gonna wrap up the trail. We're airing up our tires to head on back home. The rig did great, super impressed. There's a couple areas that I noticed my car does not do good, and that is in like the whoops. And lockers will help that 100%. So that's definitely on the wish list for the GX. But with that being said, if you like this video, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it to your friends and family. Stay tuned for more videos like this in the future. We'll see you guys. Drive safe.